Peni puthot na li tumpan Karbi Anglong pen KAPKLANG pon AWARENG WORENG APUTHAK si nang than pachini ponit po kopi AWARENG WORENG ma kon ana pu sa vacancies ma laso details bangke nalitum nona frang video long si tek pon long ikpo nalitum laso YouTube channel na anta subscribe krilang polo tangte nalitum subscribe igon latest update nalitum kilong werji apan bell arjan teknologi hodak sita me nalitum berpon igdet non Tangte non patiek pen lang pononang kopia AWARENG WORENG ma kuan apu sa vacancies sidoma ke apply nengji koson ma laso details lang pononang. Tangte non laso AWARENG WORENG APUTHAK chithan pononang laso AWARENG WORENG KAPKLANG pon labangke nalitum da screen long tek pon long ikpo Office of the District Legal Service Authority mate Karbi Anglong diphu hin municipal klang pon la pen office address labangke Office of the District Season Judges Karbi Anglong Mate Karbi Anglong District Judiciary Campus diphu pin number 782460 Karbi Anglong Assam hin pesi paklang poniklo lapen dia ikha laso advertisement mate nili laso update bangke long le reglo lapen patimi silong lo lapen patimi long pen nili video non nili nali tumpana 1p ikfitlo lapen laso advertisement dak publish pon labangke 21 May 2024 aja ke dam tang chiklo si dak publish pon iklo screen long nali tum dak thek pon long igji advertisement number 02 2024 lapen date 21 May 2024 si dak publish pon la sining ke hang abang pu abang pitum jong se nali tum jogdun igji pute standard form donang pola pen standard form long nali tum details lai fill up nang pola pen so AWARENG WORENG labangke purely on contractual basis lo lapen ke claim nangji labangke Office of the LADCS under establishment of DLSA Karbi Anglong lapen apus bangda ki ong bangke kalik apus da kadu ka pen hinido and number one along bangke office assistance upon the apus isido lapen qualification kinangji office assistance upon labangke graduation unang po lapen computer knowledge dami asapso donang po lapen salary na litum dak 15,000 per month long pon igji lapen type of test labangke viva voki sidak and ponik po test labangke lapen putha dak number 2 long do thulang number 2 fund the office fees on funds dami da isian apusto lapen class 8 pass nang po kali polte ki kom nai lo class 8 lapen ki ong nai HS pass nang po lapen salary na nito monthly dak 10,000 long pon ikpo lapen type of test labangke viva voki test sidak and pon ikpo lapen apus bangai nili puthot puthul po up number of pus labangke dak hinivet isi labangke office assistant along isi do lapen office pigeon along stambe da isi do kado kavipen da hinian apus dolo asika apply dunji abang pitum stambe nang litum standard form along kado kawe details lapen tukinang social documents na litum fill up dun ikpen pidam nang po lapen eligibility criteria labangke lasono the candidate must be Indian citizen and defined in Article 5(8) the Constitution of India mati candidate labangke Indian citizen penang po lapen Article 5(8) aron ateng penang po lapen the candidate must be graduate from any discipline the post of the office assistants and for the post of Peon candidate must be class 8 pass but below higher secondary pusida ke tok pon lo mate higher secondary pen aki kom nang po class 8 pass lo te choglo lapen Peon afan lo labangke lapen office assistant afan bangke dak graduation pass nang po lapen computer knowledge asapso do nang po lapen putho dak do thulang the candidate for the post of office assistant should have basis for the processing skill and the ability to the operate computer and skill to feed data good typing speed with proper setting of petition ability to take dictation mate office assistance afan la sovereign warsai fan bang computer knowledge tamida asap sudo na po typing speed lapen angton akam bang theglap nang po computer akam an bangke lapen file hai hui anta typing teknang permanence teknang product la sona la pen age limit la bangke nani tum screen long tek long po 18 pen 38 years an ata tum dak job dun long ikpo la pen SC tum 5 years an relation bang people no la pen 3 years la bangke MO BC la pen OBC candidate sa tum people iglo la pen copy PC nang jima la soputhak dak lang pon thulo nang Application with self-attested copy on all testimonials regarding education qualifications, computer certificate, age proof, extra. Lapen application alogo nalitum ajat documents long stami self-attested pinang po lapen education qualifications tami nalitum pinang po lapen computer certificate Peon na panbang nang ne lapen three recent passport size mate non customer recent passport size as photo nang ipo pakthom nang exil apen duly signed by the candidate on the reserve side can send through speed post in the envelope personally office of the district legal service authority Karbi Anglong district Judiciary campus Karbi Anglong diphu pin 782460 on before 5 June 2024 by 17 hours. Application cell address to Chairman District Legal Service Authority Karbi Anglong diphu lapen dak tokpon labangke no lapen nili amutan nang pulo dia ikta nili laso update bangke nili dak long der o amadlo la si pinistame nani tomjong si jogdun example de pinistame 5 June lapen apor labangke arni kang sam 5 PM anda apor banga dolang la sila so aprang nang litum jong si jogdun jining hang polote prabjin pen nang litum jogdun ikon kali pulte nalitum speed post pen nalitum dak sense tame kali pulte nalitum adim long dam pen tame nang litum jogdam ikmelo lapen full address ban la so dim sidolo la so advertisement alo along si do iktelo full address la bang putot nili nang litum panang tan pechin tu pu address ke thon nam nang ji address la bang ke nang litum la Dr. Theglong ji office address la bang ke la so dim le nang litum thon dam stame chok ikji lapen la son thak si dak Dutulang, the candidate must have registered his her in any if employment exchange of Assam laban employment exchange labang kinang sodlo laban list of eligible candidates with the date of interview venue extra shall be uploaded in official website of district judiciary Karbi Anglong. Example lapan ada selected candidates laso details tame the district records laso website dong sudah upload pon ikpo lapan nang litum laso mantu sila so list ka upload mala so details tami nili nang litum pan nampe klang pon ikpo laso YouTube channel along lapen laso natan sida dulang candidates shall appear at the interview computer proficiency test extra in their own coach lapen dagla unimportant bang kito avelo post are purely temporary for 1 year only lapen dagito ang do laso post labang ke dak temporary chot 1 year fanchot mateni kanik si fanchot lapen terms and condition the application must clear mention in the envelope against the post he and she apply for lapen envelope athak nani tum tok dun vek nang project laso koloso post pansinani tum ki jog dun ma mate ki pi dun ma ka apply dun ma laso men hoda mention nang po lapen kaprega son dake tok pone avelo nalitum thek pon long ikpo asi puthot nili nalitum han dia nang chang thuigla la so update bang nili long der o machine nili upload le reklo la se ki long pen machine nili nalitum han videos pens tabe semarsi na 1p ikfit lo asi non ta upload dolang non si 8 10 mati 85 an verla let's say earning some 5 PM ans dolang apor la song bong nang litum jong si jogdun executive te nang litum claim to on la kasi la so video nang litum kan share ego Karbi Anglong ras tame pachini ignang la pen palang ignang sipinia video long la anling ton pon ignang do mi thak mi kadu kavi Karbi 2.0 YouTube channel long kilang ra do advance tame nil hin pen kardom
to change your